Ya, wena utawurivesa uye emuva. Akwehle mina. Ya, urivese we. Sella. Fanele kamkhweli ekhaya kubatima nesikhulumba samakhaya esikhona ngibona iconvoy leya ekhaya kaSimelane ngibona iconvoy leya ekhaya kaSimelane yiningi kakhulu iconvoy leya kaSimelane ekhaya I've never seen bantu bajabulela lento abajabulela khona it's such an amazing event It's such an amazing day namhlanje lana lapha la sikhona khona uyangenwa ekhaya kaSimelane lonke lelibandla angaze sengibona ekhaya kaSimelane kungena ngengoma basa banavalo selekile umhlalisha last week eKolanzawo ekhaya kaSimelane for the first time not for the first time kwenteka laka 2018 kwaphinda kwenteka futhi laka 2022 Sapisa kuyenteka futhi laka 2023 same story different days awusukalile madoda same story different days ekhaya kaSimelane sekuvela konakele kuyafesa It is indeed gonna be a celebration. It is indeed gonna be a celebration. Buka the parade letela kolapha ebaleni ekhaya. Seleka imoto ngendlela ebucayi. Ekhaya kaSimelane. Sekhawom Eric. Honorable Mduduzi. Ikawusele lamandla. Kungena nje maquantum. Can you imagine? Stevens Esipofaneni, he did a call to elect their own. Ikwakashe emotweni. Emotweni yami. Hawu, angathi usuyibeke. Cabanga kahle. Esikhusali lapha uyathandaza empeleni. Ngiyathemba mhlonishwa Gauzela. Mawubukela le video uyajabula. Noma mhlonishwa ungeke uconnecteleka ekhaya. Kodwa lamaswati lowa wathwala buhlungu bawo ayakutshengisa namhlanje ayakutsanza la khona buhlungu balamaswati lowa wathwala mawubuka lesimo losibonako labaleni ekhaya ye-President Mduduzi Eric Simelane mawubuka lesimo losibonako uvani awukhumbuli nabo lamaswati lowa wathuma lathi nyawo takho ya celebrating lapha ekhaya kaSimelane namhlanje ebusuku. It's a celebration kulendzawo. It's a celebration ekhaya kaSimelane. Ngiyaphisitela lakhaya namhlanje. Ngiyaphisitela empala lakhaya. Nangu esikhusali naye ngalawo uyathandaza. It's amazing. Bezangisengivalelisile la ngihambile. Kodwa comrades were here. Bamache yonke indlela cabanga. Bahambe ngetinyawo kusukela kaMkhweli esikolweni. Bamacha all the way batofika ka railway. Ekhaya kaSimelane nempala. Akukwendeki for the first time. It's the third time emakhombethi angena ngale hlobo lekhaya. Kwendeka 2018 nangena mhlanje Makhaukhawu. Waphiza kwendeka futhi 2022. Namanje kwendeka. Sabato hakuna mfuati longapata umhlaba ayedwa sife sijabulile kutsala skole kibamba. It's been days. It's been uma kuthiwa uNkulunkulu mkhulu bagidza embi kwendlu emhlonishwa Gauzela lakhaya. It's a celebration indeed. By the way I see it, by the way I look at things, itawusala. thina kuthito ngomhla sibuyayo ngomhla othula kokhala koduma umshini wami sengifuna ke kuvalelisa nami la it indeed to say namhlanje it has been a beautiful day indeed wakhaya kaSimelane kuyaphithitela ngosiyami. Everyone is here, everyone is happy, everyone is indeed excited ngalo kwendekile namhla la ekhaya
nani comment lokulandzela linye manje
yeah likholanze because comments libuye ekhaya alibuye ekhaya
yaqhumukela lerasa for life
yeah
sports into yasekhaya ngihamba njani sikhona
singihambela naye
ujalo ke siyabonga kakhulu masoda kithi kwami nje kubonga anginade alilalingani kwente njalo ebusuku abantu bami bayolala yawe ngiyajuka nje kwanza bami bangale 56 la asale niyolala ngiyathi injabulo ingethulu kwemandla but ke we thank you all for being here ema comments atawuqhubeka enomsebenzi wekujiva sanibonga Labak Diaspora, thank you so much. UK branch, thank you so much for the support. You don't know how much what you have done goes, especially in terms of broadcasting. We want to extend our gratitude, particular leader in the diaspora. Thank you so much, my leader. You are such a wonderful person and a gift to the Swazi struggle of our people. This one keep out there in the public. Sibone masothi la supportile ngosiyami. We've been out here sidrive imoto silanza abantu ekhlikithini sibagijimisa sibalisa sibabuyisela emuva. We will be doing that again. Certainly ngela for this cause will die, we shall live, and for this cause we will see Eswatini being free. Thank you so much Swaziland. Thank you very much. Sangivule ngivalelisile. Angifuni I don't want to bore you with the details esikwendekani kuyagidwa lapha kushaya umzabalazo kumnanzi nje yathi baba yini